Hey, welcome in everybody. My name is Jerome. I'm the founder of SpeedBuild Net for Lego speed building. Wanted to do a quick example video of how videos should be submitted. There's a few different options, but here's just kind of a general, guideline to follow. Hopefully it answers some questions. I've got this Lego set 60485, the hot rod, and I've got a little timer here. So I'll just start the timer and then open the box, and when I'm finished I'll hit stop on the timer and see what my time is. For these kitchen timers, live timers, whatever you want to call them, they don't have milliseconds, so whatever second you end on, we're just going to add 1 second because we can't see the milliseconds, just to kind of be fair. You can also overlay the digital one, just like on speedrun.com. And if you're familiar with using OBS and all those tools, great, you can do that as well. So without further ado, let's go. There we go, got that started. I'm sure the speedrunners are already thinking of ways to improve this run, but this is just for fun. Just an example video. Now, one thing we need to do is make sure that things are accurate. For the run to count, we gotta have every piece built. There's of course extra pieces, but the moderators, right now that's just me, will review each run. And you can also join our Discord channel, server, if you will. And there you can chat with other enthusiasts and people around the world and see what times they're coming up with and all those discussions, of course. And I will also say, this is a new build, obviously, right? I opened the box, so we start the timer and then I opened the box. You can also, if you already own a Lego set, you can speedrun your own set you already own. You don't have to buy a new one. The nuance with that is that you can prep your pieces however you want. You can have them in bins or bags, or if it's a smaller set, you can just have them lined up in order if you want, and you just grab and build. However you want to do it is fine. That's okay. One thing we do need to see though is the build, obviously, at all times, and in frame, in picture, on screen, whatever you want to say. Then I would suggest verifying your work before turning that next page. And let's see, what else? I think that's all the big topics I was going to go over today. I'll probably think of some more as I build. And as you can imagine, larger sets like, you know, those Millennium Falcon sets, the UCS ones that are thousands of pieces, that would be quite the daunting task to do. You probably don't have those memorized. A build like this you might have memorized. You can use this instruction booklet, the paper one, or if you have a laptop nearby with a PDF from lego.com, that's of course okay as well. If you do have a set memorized, go for it. If you already have a recording of a speed build that is not time-lapsed, feel free to submit it. If you don't have one of these kitchen timers in that video, that's okay. You can also overlay the, use a digital overlay like they do at speedrun.com for those video game speedruns, and do that. Oops. I think I'm wasting more time turning pages than I am building the actual set here, but that's okay. A little bit about SpeedBuild.net. I actually didn't come up with this idea. A person from the UK who I've known for, geez, a long time now, showed a video in a Lego section of him building it, and I thought it was pretty cool, and he has a timer, and I thought, man, that would be fun. Why not combine the popularity of Lego with the surging popularity of speed building? So that's where I'm at now. So shout out to Famine for coming up with this idea. I'm a little over halfway now. It's a cool little build. But one thing I don't want the site to lose sight of is the community feel. I don't want people to think that, oh, just because it's not going to be a world record setting pace for a Lego build, to be discouraged. It's a community. I always want it to be a community first. Help give each other tips and improve, just like the speedrunners share strategies amongst each other. So I want that community feel to always be in place. It's coming together. This little hot rod is nice. And obviously I'm kind of taking my time here because I also don't want to mess up. Trying to do this while talking is not something I'm used to. I see YouTubers do it all the time and I'm like, I can't do that. Good on you. extra flame piece. Put together our tires and rims, just 2 of them, I guess. These are the back wheels and the front wheels. Looks completed. Yes. And at this point, you don't have to put the character in. It's just as soon as everything is built. So stop. I did that in 10 minutes, 1 second. I'm sure that will be annihilated at some point. But there you go. So that's it. Just make sure this is always visible at all times. It has to be one consistent video. Keep that in mind for those really long builds. And I hope you have fun. Thanks a lot.